Yeah, hello children. We have discussed in the first video of trigonometry about the trigonometrical ratios, all the six ratios and definition. And also we have discussed about the reciprocals, cos and sec, sine and cosec, and tan and cot. Okay. And also quotient. Quotient means nothing but tan A definition. Tan A, actually other definition of tan also we have discussed. Tan and cot, cosec and sec. Okay. Now we are going to discuss in this video about square relations. Okay. Square relations. One second, children. Yes, children. Now I will explain about the square relations. What is square relation? Okay. First of all, we will discuss. Let me draw the first right angle triangle. And so, what is sin A? Meanwhile, I'll repeat. Sin A is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. And what is cos A? Base by hypotenuse. Okay. And tan is what? Perpendicular by base. These definitions are very important. You must know them. Okay, let us go with the square relation. What is square relation? Okay, children. Here in right right angle at B. Okay, and the remaining two angles are acute angle, but I want to define with the A angle. A is also acute angle. Okay, so here now in right angle, I'll write the stepwise. In right angle triangle, in right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B is equal 90 degree. Okay, so what is sin A? Sin A is BC by AC. What is cos A? Cos A, children, AB by AC. Okay. Next, here squaring of sine plus squaring of cos. What is that? BC by AC whole square, AB by AC whole square. Okay. Right. This is nothing but sine square A plus cos square A. Okay. Now, what is this? BC square by AC square plus AB square by AC square. I can take the LCM here itself, AC square, and the numerator I can add directly because denominators are equal. Okay. And also children, BC square plus AB square is nothing but AC square. What is this? This is by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal square of other two sides, right? AB square plus BC square. Based on this, since by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. This is what? Identity 1. Like sine square A plus cos square A. What is the value? It is a 1. Okay. In that way, I will explain two more identities, two more relations of the square of trigonometry. Yes, children, second one now. 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A, which is equal to, what is tan? Tan is a perpendicular by base. Okay, 1 plus BC by AB whole square. Directly here I am substituting. Okay, 1 plus BC square by AB square. I can go with the LCM. LCM is AB square. Now AB square into 1, AB square plus BC square. Okay, what is AB square plus BC square? Just now I said no. Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, or we can say from directly this triangle AC square. AB square plus BC square is nothing but AC square by AB square. Okay, and now what is AC by AB relation? This hypotenuse by AB. Hypotenuse by AB is what? Sec square A. Okay, therefore 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Okay, next. From this again, we can also find another relation. Tan square A minus sec square A is equal to 1. Okay, one more relation from this only. 1 minus sec square A is equal to tan square A. So, these are the three relations among tan and sec. Okay, here also children, I will complete this part also. From this, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, no? So, from this again, cos square A is equal, I am just transposing to right side, 1 minus sin square A. See, according to the problems, we have to use any one according to the situation and the steps and problems we can see. So cos square A is equal to what? 1 minus sin square A. What is another relation? Cos sin square A is equal, sin square A is equal 1 minus cos square A. Okay, here also from this we'll get three conditions or three formulae we can say. Next, this is first one children and this is second one. Okay, and next one more relation we'll discuss here. 1 plus cot square, 1 plus cot square A. What is cot definition children? Cot definition is base by perpendicular. Okay, base by perpendicular means AB by BC. 1 plus AB by BC whole square. What is that? 1 plus AB square by BC square. Now I can take LCM BC square. Okay, BC square into 1, BC square plus AB square. Again, what is this? BC square plus AB square. BC square plus AB square is again what? AC square by BC square. What is AC here? Hypotenuse. What is BC here? Perpendicular. Hypotenuse by perpendicular is nothing but cosec. Okay, children. So now, what do you understand from this? 1 plus cot square A equal to cosec square A. This is the third important. Next, from this again, what you will get here? Cot square A is equal to cosec square A minus 1. Again, one more you will get from this. What is that, children? Yes. Next, one more is what, children, here? Cosec square, 1 plus cot square A is equal cosec square A. Cosec square A. Cosec square A minus cot square A is equal 1. So all these how many? Altogetherly there are 9. These are very important results, children. These, by using these also we can solve the problems. Okay. So finally, what do you observe from these all relations? What is main relation? What are these called? Identities, trigonometric identities. Okay. Yes, children, this is the definition finally. an equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle A. Angle means some theta, A or C, acute angle. An angle means acute angle. Is true for all values of A, all values of angle, acute angle. This equation is called the trigonometrical identity. Okay, so now we will solve some problems. And children, here problems based on the question. Either you solve from LHS. See, there are two parts in the equations, LHS and RHS, children. So in order to prove trigonometrical identity, start with the either left hand side or right hand side. Okay, applying the relations. But sometimes both the sides are complicated. If both the sides are complicated, so you have to do one thing. You solve left hand side part and right hand side part. So you must get both the answers equal. Okay, it's very important concept. Once again I'll repeat, children. So what I said, the trigonometrical identity, both the see an equation. Once again I'll repeat, children. An equation involving trigonometrical ratios of an angle, acute angle, is true for all values of angle. This equation is called the trigonometrical identity. So what I mean to say is, here for any kind of question there will be LHS, there will be LHS and RHS for any kind of trigonometrical equations. Okay, so either you start solving by LHS or you start solving by RHS. But so if you start by LHS, you must get the answer whatever is given in RHS. If you are going to solve from RHS, you should get LHS part. But sometimes both the LHS part and RHS part will be difficult, like complicated questions will be. So in that case, you should get LHS answer whatever is you are getting. The RHS part also should be equal to the same answer. Then this is also this kind of proofs also correct and equal answers you are getting. Okay, by using this method also. Okay, let us go with the problem. First example, any one example I will take, children, just to make you more understand and clear. Let us go with the cos to the power of 4a minus sine to the power of 4 is equal to cos square a minus 1. Okay, this is called trigonometric identity. Okay, whatever, now we will solve it. So children, this is cos to the power, this is very higher order problem actually. Right, no problem, I will complete it. I will explain you to make you more understand. So cos to the power 4, sin to the power of 4. Okay children, so if a to the power of 4 and b to the power of 4, how can we write this? A square whole square minus b square whole square, correct? So I am going to solve from LHS. Okay, this is the topic where I'm trying to explain you. Okay, with this example you will get more clarity. So cos to the power of 4 and a minus sin to the power of 4, which can be written in this form. So now this becomes what? A square minus b square. So a is a minus b, a square minus b square is what? A minus b into a plus b. In that form I am going to write this one. Cos square a whole square sin square a whole square. Okay, so this is again a square minus b square form. So we will expand this one. Cos square a minus sin square a into cos square a plus sin square a. Okay, and in the just in the last video, no, in this video only, first identity we have proved it. Na? Cos square a plus sin square a is nothing but 1. Okay, sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. These all are the reasons what we are applying, how we are getting. You have to write. Okay, children. So now this is cos square a minus sine square a will be as it is because this value is 1. Okay, now again this can be written as cos a minus sin a. No, we will do one thing, sine square value, because RHS, according to RHS, we have to convert the solution. So, cos square A minus sine square, this I am writing in the square bracket, and sine square I want to put in a open bracket. Now I will apply sine square formula. From this we will get sine square is equal to what? 1 minus cos square a, correct? This one also I explained you. So here cos square a minus of 1 minus cos square a. Okay. Now cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a. Okay. Cos square a plus cos square is how much? 2 cos square a minus 1. Therefore, cos to the power 4 a minus sin to the power 4 a is equal to cos square a minus 1. This is nothing but RHS. Okay, children? Understood now? Yes. Now we will go with the another question. One more example I will explain, children. Okay. For this kind of questions, you have to solve in this way. Right. Only, okay, example 2. 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A is equal to cosec A plus cot A whole square. Okay, children? Right. So here now, again I'll start with the LHS. Okay. I can also teach you by RHS. Okay, we will do both the method if you want. So children, 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. Okay. So here this is minus, this is plus. Now we can do one thing. We have to add, multiply and divide by 1 plus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Or you can say conjugate. Okay. We can also write multiply and divide by 1 plus cos A. Reason. Now 1 plus cos A whole square by 1 minus cos square A. Okay. 1 minus cos square is what? 1 minus cos square. See, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. No. From that I explained you 1 minus sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. So 1 minus cos square A, how can I write here? Sin square A. So 1 plus cos A whole square, because okay, 1 plus cos A whole square by sin square. Okay, children? Sin square. Next, 1 plus cos A whole, the whole square we will write. How this one also 1 plus cos A by sin A whole bracket square. Okay. We know this. A to the power m, b to the power m is what? A by b whole to the power of m. Correct? In this way we can write no? Yes. Now this is what? 1 by sin A inside the bracket, separating the terms. Cos A by sin A. Okay, children? Whole square. Okay. Now 1 by a is nothing but cosec a. Cos and cos by sine is what? Cot a whole square. This is RHS. Okay. So LHS, hence LHS equal to RHS. Understood, children? Okay. Remaining problems are I'll start directly exercise. Okay. In the next video, we will start the exercise problems. I hope you all understood well and practice seriously, children. Okay. Bye. Thank you.